Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes last longer. First, ensure your cupcakes are completely cool before any storage. Warm cupcakes create condensation, which can make them soggy and spoil faster. For unfrosted cupcakes, a simple airtight container at room temperature works well for a couple of days. If they are frosted, place them gently into an airtight container to protect the frosting and maintain moisture. This initial step is crucial for preserving their delicious texture. To truly extend freshness, airtight storage is your best friend. Oxygen is the enemy of fresh baked goods, causing them to go stale quickly. A good quality container with a secure lid will create a protective barrier. For an extra trick, try placing a slice of plain bread or a quarter of an apple in the container. It helps absorb excess moisture, keeping your cupcakes soft. Remember, refrigeration can dry out unfrosted cupcakes, so keep them at room temperature. For longer-term storage, freezing is an excellent option. If your cupcakes are unfrosted, flash freeze them on a baking sheet for about 1 hour until firm. This prevents them from sticking together. Then, wrap each cupcake tightly in plastic wrap, followed by a layer of aluminum foil. This double layer protects against freezer burn. Place the wrapped cupcakes into a freezer-safe bag, and they can stay fresh for up to 3 months. Thaw them at room temperature before serving. When you're ready to enjoy your frozen cupcakes, simply remove them from the freezer and let them thaw at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours. If you prefer them warm, a quick zap in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds can bring back that fresh-baked feel. Remember these simple steps to keep your delicious treats enjoyable for longer. Also, for other great deals, and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.